Hey guys, welcome back to Joe tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on Trello. Now as you can see here guys, I'm in Trello, and in order to change the language, click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click on settings. Now here you will see language, but if you look slightly above that, it will tell you that you need to sign into your Atlassian account to be able to change this, and this is just a link. If you click in that, it's going to open up your Atlassian account, and here you'll have the language here. So you just need to go ahead and change the language from here. Keep in mind that when you change the language in Atlassian, it will also change the language in any other Atlassian account that you are using. So this is one global account that you're used to, for example, sign into Trello, status page, Jira, or even Jira service management. So in order to change the language, so if you're going to change the language in if you're going to change the language for your Trello, keep in mind that it's going to also change the language in other Atlassian apps that you are using. If you're only using just the one apps, then it's no problem, right? But this is how you can easily change the language in Trello. Once you go ahead and you change the language, let's say switch this to the UK, you will see that it reloads and it is no change. Now I'm going to change it to a different language that is much more visible. Let's say I choose Czech. It's going to quickly refresh, and you can see it's in Czech now. If I head over back to Trello and let's say I go to my dashboard, you will see that everything will change. So if I do a refresh guys, you can see that now that my Atlassian account is now in Czech, right? So I'm gonna go back and switch it back to English, and that's it. So guys, if you're looking for how to change a language, this is how you can easily do it, and that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple.